I'm Christopher Green, and the Frozen Scream was my idea. I had this idea to adapt a spooky winter show, and just to look at what happens if a conventional play gets infected by sort of spooky outsiders.
I play a character called Tony, and he's attending a party at a country estate, and they don't quite get there.
It's wonderful to just see it begin to come to life.
I play Ginty Mills, who's one of the main characters who is on their way to this party, and she has an ulterior motive for going there.
It's a period piece, a sort of gothic thriller, but nothing is as it seems.